Cat Buckaroo #2. I hasten to tell it's all very soft stuff and he can buckaroo at any point. This is a cuddly toy collection and we're going to start off first of all ready with stopwatch Kev in 3, 2, 1, clanger. Next, Charlie Mouse from Bagpuss. Oh. The shopkeeper from Mr. Ben.
Oh. He's enjoying it.
Danger Mouse. A lobster. Igor.
You lazy thing. Get up.
An otter. I won't fit on him. A possum.
Right, there you go.
A cushion. Sean the sheep.
We've had Buckaroo from the animals themselves. Oh, there he goes anyway. 58 seconds.
Oh,
He's going to sleep now.
let me give him a cuddle, let me give him a cuddle. Oh, he's fine, he loves his mummy. Look at this.